13 years ago. Well, the doctor told me I am going to bind to a machine. It's just on dialysis, 3 times a week at that time, 4 hours at a time. But I am against it. And then there's the dialysis machine that was afraid of that machine, that buzzing sound. I feel like my life is going to end permanently. That feeling. But today, I haven't had dialysis in 13 years. On this latest sheet, my creatinine is 130. The clearance rate of endogenous creatinine is over 41 points. That's what I want to tell everything is still there. Patients on dialysis. Well, just believe in yourself. Hope is always there. What really made me determined to change? I saw a patient share it. The treatment experience of traditional Chinese medicine to clear blood and detoxify. It's great to see the results of his treatment. I just want a bed. Given a short, but the doctor in our unit told me impossible to cure. Let me not mess around, but I don't want to because the child is so small, it becomes without mother's company. Then I must give it a try. It turns out I made the right bet. I remember it very clearly. My creatinine was at its peak. The daily urine output is only 300 or 400, at least 200, 300. Blood pressure is also particularly high. Severe anemia at the time. I can barely breathe when I am walking. Bored. Come here, Director Feng Yanchao. Tell me about traditional Chinese medicine. Kindness is like smart repair cream. Well, it can pinpoint the focus of the kidney. Block fibrosis, and at the same time, repair damaged kidney tissue. A week after I received this Chinese medicine treatment, I feel for the first time. What is it? I had low urine output when I came. Then after a week of use, urine volume is up from 200 or 300. Later it went up to 400 or 500. Finally rose to 1,000. Leafy and right, and then very excited. At that time, I just couldn't control myself at that time. After a month of treatment, when you were discharged from the hospital, I am going up to 1,000. Then the number of bleeding also reduced from 3 to 2. After being discharged from the hospital and returning home, and also a traditional Chinese medicine that you insist on using at home. What about creatinine after 400? Dialysis dropped to once a week. About half year after the treatment, my blood creatinine started at 980, down to around 160. It was urine volume. It has recovered from 400 or 500 to about 1,800. Send the results to Director Huang. Director Huang asked me to stop dialysis. That's when my heart finally came down. Yeah, and my quality of life has improved. Also returned to normal life. Cooking for children every day, watching children go to and from school. Accompany them. Well, until our children. By the time our son graduated from graduate school, married and had children all these years. My weight has been stable above 150. Yes, I am very grateful to my director. My doctor in charge, Director Feng Yanchao. The company that has accompanied me for the past 13 years. Not just in hospitals or while in the hospital. I came home from the hospital. Well, he's been giving me guidance and help. Care about me. I remember the first time I was admitted to the hospital, Director Feng said to me, "Don't treat yourself as a patient, believe that you can recover. I have to bring grandchildren in the future. Now my wish has come true. I am taking our little grandson with me. How about this time? Let's rebuild this plaque together. Thank you for making my dream come true." If you are struggling with dialysis, I want to tell you there is no shame in escape and pain. But please believe that life is always worth living. We need to adjust our mindset, actively cooperate with treatment, maybe the next person to get rid of the pain. It's no need for meat anymore. Living with the navel muscle. We can't choose disease but can choose to face it. Don't let machines define your life.